continue here in Brazil, but now I'm here in Copacabana. Okay, but you have to continue with your activities, and I'm going to swim. Bye. Hi, this is the vocabulary of today. So repeat and practice after me, please. Food serve. A food server is the person who serves food like this. Nurse. A nurse is a person who helps a doctor, like she. A nurse. The principal. Principal is a director, like teacher, for example.
Let's continue with our activities. So open your book, part 3, What Makes a Good Classmate, page 50. In this case, you have to listen to the track and number the people mentioned in order. You have to listen and then write a number according to the track. Number 2, look at the picture and place a check next to the people mentioned. For example, if you listen or a bus driver, check. Or if you listen a teacher, check. Then activity number 3, where can we find these people? Then in this case, you have to write the letter A, B, C, D, or E according to the place. For example, letter B, the teacher. The teacher works where? In a classroom, in an office, or the nurse office, where? Okay, you have to write the correct letter. Number 4, page 51. Here, you have to look the pictures below and then complete each sentence with the matching word from the box. For example, repeat: food server, librarian, nurse, teacher. Here, you have to complete the sentences with the correct word in the box. For example, number 2 or number 1. The food server, the librarian, the nurse or the teacher works in the nurse office. Who works in the nurse's office? A teacher, a nurse, a food server.
Dear